So peeps, I know that the least little variation in nature, people cry out and said the Lord is near and God is coming and judgment is upon us and them something there. So we saw where the Quashie River near Freemans Hall in Trelawny, the water turned red yesterday, and somebody would have recorded a video and uploaded it, and it created some discomfort, if you want to call it that, on social media, where persons were saying a God has come and a judgment and the river cry out because of the bloodshed in Jamaica, and it is representing the bloodshed in Jamaica and a number of things. You understand what I say? So I saw the video from last night, but I was too tired to review it, so I'm gonna review it now. I'm gonna make you watch it with the original audio, then I'm telling you exactly what I want. Peeps, it think they're really that serious still. See it here?
And that one right up the friggin' river stream. Pray. I lie to myself, Pambo. If you tell them same, put that in. Who says so? You want to see it? I don't think so. Yeah? I don't think so. From where up to come, from where Joe to come down? Where up the whole of the river to come down? From the river head come down. I say red. What?
So river turn blood red. However, the WRA, the Water Resources Authority of Jamaica, is saying there's nothing to be worried about, or there's no need for alarm or concern. The Water Resources Authority says persons should not be alarmed by the blood red Quashie River near Freemans Hall in Lowe River near Waitabit, Trelawny. According to a media release issued by the authority, dye tracing exercises are currently being conducted in the Rio Bueno Watershed. The dyes were injected into the Quashie River near Freemans Hall and in Lowe River near Waitabit, Trelawny on Wednesday, June 14. The WRA says it in the media release. The authority said that the use of the dye is necessary in order to trace the flow path of a river which sinks and re-emerges. The dye that is being used in the Quashie River is Rhodamine WT, and the authority said it is non-toxic and will dissipate within the next few days. Rochelle Archer James, a technical officer at the Water Resources Authority, said that the test is being done in order to determine which tributaries flow into the Rio Bueno. She said this information is critical in the management of water resources. So peep, it is not blood. It is simply a particular dye that they are using in an exercise that they call river tracing. What they are trying to do is to map the drainage basin in the area, and as such they want to know the tributaries. A tributary is a smaller stream which flows into a larger one that flows into the Rio Bueno as they seek to continue their water management of that particular watershed in the area. So there's no need for alarm, there's no need for concern. I know it kind of look frightening and worrying because I'm sure many person uses water from that area for domestic purposes or for irrigation or other purposes. You understand what I say, peeps? So the Water Resources Authority is saying there is no cause for concern, and it is simply a exercise to try and acquire more data and information as to the drainage basin in that particular area. It would have been nice though if the Water Resources Authority would have done some form of public education campaign as to sensitize the residents of the fact that they would be carrying out the exercise, so that the alarm wouldn't have been so great when they saw the river where them see clear every day looking red like a blood in the water. You understand what I say? So next time they probably could look into that and see how best they could sensitize the public as to their exercise. So the river is not flowing any blood. There's no blood in the river. It is a particular dye that will dissipate in a couple of days, and it is just a river tracing exercise that is being done, because the Trelawny is mostly limestone, and as such in limestone areas you will have sinkholes or swallow hole as a result of carbonation and solution dissolving limestone rocks. So you will have vertical cracks and joints becoming enlarged where streams and rivers disappear down them. You understand? Then eventually now those streams and rivers will re-emerge somewhere. We call them emergent streams. So that is what they are trying to figure out. You understand? So no need for concern, peeps. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.